Hi guys, welcome to this computer system. It's the 6th December of 2020 and I've made, I've put an old SSD into my bay. You know that I switch SSDs between Windows and Linux, and that's the simplest thing. If you have a desktop, maybe it exists for laptops too. So you can keep gaming, for instance, in Windows or work in Windows separate from learning in Linux and playing in Linux. So the point of the video is you need to update. I just told somebody on Discord we're around 6% ArcoLinux packages and all the rest is Arch. This is pure Arch. Well, let's see. Because it's an SSD, I just pop in and I don't know really. So sudo pacman. I seem to have changed lots of things. Themes and bars up there, lots of widgets in there, oh, well, lots too. And is there something ArcoLinux related on there? Yeah, so I added ArcoLinux Arc KDE, the themes are there, the mirror list is there, wallpapers, that's it. So the rest, all of them, you can count it, 1154 up here packages, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning 1150 packages from ArcoLinux. And that's all I need from ArcoLinux to have this look, this version. So, what happens if I update here? Doesn't exist. So the bash RC from us is not here. So you fall back to the knowledge of ArcoLinux. There you go. And I can update. So let's do an update, probably gonna be a big one, and hopefully we learn something, because 2.2, 16 gigabyte, yeah, it's Arch Linux, right? We hear sometimes the remark, it's so many updates. We've learned to live with it. And maybe that's another thing I've learned with ArcoLinux while developing it. We're not so bad here. Depending on, meaning the bandwidth and the speed we get for our internet connection, we're one of the blessed. So let's update our system. And while that's doing its thing, let's look around, just showing what things are here, how it looks. And there is all kinds of things here. Yakuwake. Yep. We're gonna see a totally different plasma, I think. I see already some differences with the one I have for ArcoLinux. So it's a big update. Every time and every single time there's updates and lots of KDE or plasma stuff. Don't try to keep working, reboot. You'll see errors from all kinds of things. Reboot the system. This is the moment where you keep your fingers crossed. Are the keys there? Is the package integrity okay? Once we've passed that, then we can breathe again. File conflicts, yeah. Come on. Disk space, I hope it's enough. Not sure. And off it goes. We've passed the initial tests. Now I was wondering, what did I install years ago or months ago about? So this is Plank. If you were wondering what this is Plank. And this morning I just thought about it. We've added this little application, pfetch, right? Pfetch, command not found, sudo pacman -s pfetch. And then you have it if the other guy is behaving, because, oh, let's do a Discord. There you are. Discord. No, not, yeah, it is installed. Okay, let's try. Just want to show you a nice image I created. Fun stuff, right? These things should be fun. But I guess, okay, I'm loading, that's cool. The fun stuff I want to go to is this thing. There can be only one Pac-Man, right? There can be only one Pac-Man, and the guys who are a little bit older, in my age range, they know, that's the Highlander, right? There can be only one Pac-Man running. Could not lock database, failed to initialize transaction, unable to lock database. There's just one Pac-Man busy. And also sometimes it's hidden away in F12, you remember? It goes up, goes down, and up, but it's still there. Pac-Man is still doing things. So that's why we have this lock. And indeed, if there is no Pac-Man and it's not normal and there shouldn't be a lock, then we have, in ArcoLinux anyway, a command called, an alias called unlock. And here we do sudo remove and then this thing. But we know it's busy, so I'm not going to remove anything. Big update, but unfortunately, in the sense of teaching, unfortunately, I don't see any errors coming or problems coming. So I cannot add more knowledge to the video, except always keyrings, 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 right? Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux keyring. That's a main thing. That's always an issue. People getting stuck during a big installation, and that's because there are new people. There are person X is coming to the team of ArcoLinux. They have their key, and you don't have it yet. And then you need to get first the keyring in, and then you can install his package. His or her, right? So nice looking, nice logo. And I need to reboot, right? So the video is going to be cut in two.